Imagine if manufacturing automation was simple. Introducing Vention. One platform to design, automate, order, and deploy manufacturing equipment in days. Design automated equipment and robot cells in minutes with Machine Builder. Drag and drop modular components like extrusions, conveyors, and robot arms into your design. Program your equipment code-free with machine logic and simulate directly in your browser. Review your auto-generated bill of materials and order with a few clicks. Track your order and receive your parts within days. Deploy your machine using our plug-and-play functionality. Begin transforming your factory floor today with Vention. This is the future of manufacturing automation. This is manufacturing automation simplified.